Yes guys, how are you doing? Nick here from eBusiness Boss. Today I'm going to show you how you can remove feedback on Amazon. We all get it, none of us want it, so I'm going to show you how to remove it. eBusiness Boss, if you've only just found this channel, it's all about helping you with tricks to do with selling on Amazon, blogging, affiliate marketing. We're documenting our whole journey so you can come along with us and hopefully learn something for yourself. So if you find this video useful, please hit the like button, share it with some friends, and if you like this sort of content, subscribe to the eBusiness Boss channel. Let's get into the video.
Okay guys, look, none of us want feedback that shouldn't be there. So let me show you how to remove it. Amazon do change how things are done from time to time, as you all know. So this is the most up-to-date version as of this time. So head over to your Amazon Seller Central account. This is our European account. One of the main tabs along the top is called Performance. So hover over that. Go down onto feedback, give it a click, and we've got some feedback here that we want to get rid of. So this has changed slightly, but this is how we get rid of it. So basically, this comment here is a product review. Now, I have written a blog post on how you can sort of remove this step by step. It does include everything you need to know over on the eBusiness Boss website. I'll include a link to that in the description below. But one of the reasons Amazon have for removing negative feedback, or feedback in general I should say, is, well, they've got sort of set parameters around this. So I won't go through it all in detail now, but this last point, the entire feedback comment is a product review. So that's what this is, and that's why we want to get it removed. So here's the order. I've blurred out things for obvious reasons, but we head over to actions. It's very simple. Give that a click, and you've got some options here. Okay, so we want to click request removal, although you have got other options here. If you don't think that's suitable, you can post a public reply. That's the last resort for me. You can obviously contact the customer. Don't try and incentivize them, or just be very, very careful with this sort of option. This is what we want to go for. Hit request removal, very straightforward. You can see here Amazon have said we've reviewed this feedback and found that it does not comply with our policies, so we have struck it through. So that's brilliant. That means it's gone off the count towards our overall seller rating. You can view the case by clicking this button. Yeah, that's not working at the minute, but that was how you do it, guys. It's very simple. As you can see, we've gone back on now. We're back up to 100%, and yeah, that feedback's gone. So I hope you found this explainer video useful. Yeah, there'll be more useful stuff from us again soon.
So that was the process, guys. I hope you found that useful. I'm going to leave a link in the description below to the full article I've written on this subject, and that lays out the process for you step by step. It's a really simple process. You all can be having 98, 99, 100% positive seller feedback on Amazon. It really isn't that difficult. I also talk about a piece of software I use called Feedback Genius. The links that I'll include in the description below, they will be affiliate links. So if you buy anything through those links, I'll make an affiliate commission at no additional cost to you. Yeah, in the full-length article on the eBusiness Boss website, you'll see the methods I use to actually gain more seller feedback and more product reviews. So it's how I provoke a conversation between me and my customer. So yeah, it should be really useful for you guys. I'd love to hear what you think in the comments below. If you found this video useful, please hit the like button, and if you like this sort of content, you're interested in it, subscribe to the eBusiness Boss channel to make sure you don't miss out. Thanks for listening, guys. More from me soon.